Hello friends, how are you? Do you like this pics of mine? I got these from my friend, from one of my friends. I liked it very much. I asked her how did she made it. She told me about the 3D pen, and I was not aware about it. Um, that was unique. I've never seen a pen like that. I asked my parents about it, and they said they'll order it. So, this is the packaging. We'll now open it. It was this pen was around 1500 rupees. This is the 3D pen. Here is the pen. This is a whole 3D Ganesha pen. In the box, we have this tray. Then we have some extra filaments. This wire. A 3D painting. A 3D pen copy painting book is free with, has came with it. I've also got these extra filaments. I'll also make one specs. I'll use this yellow filament. There's the box. This is the manual of it. Let's read it. I am very excited. The manual says the warning. In the warning, the suitable age for use is 5 years, and this is the nozzle of it. It says we do not have to touch it because the highest temperature is 50 to 30 degrees Celsius, 50 to 80 degrees Celsius. And this is the wire. We'll now open the wire. This. We need an adapter of our own. I have this white charger one. This is the manual also says that this is the button for speed. For with this we can increase the speed of the melted filament. There are two buttons. This is the load filament button, and this is the unload filament button. Whenever we have to stop the melted filament coming out of it, we have to click the load filament button. Here is a rectangular hole in which we have to attach this part of the wire, and this hole is for the filament. In this hole we have to put the filament here like this. Firstly we have before putting the filament inside, we have to click the load filament button, and we have to click it, and we have to put the filament inside it. I'll make this goggle in this 3D pen copy painting book. have this extension cord and this adapter. This part we have to attach here like this, and we have to attach this part into the adapter. Then this part will be here. These lights are glowing, so that means it's on now. We have to put it for preheating, for this to be at the proper temperature, and then we have to click the load filament button, and we have to put the filament inside it. First, it has to be kept on for preheating. Now let's open the page. This page, and there's filament. Now we'll load the filament inside it after clicking the load filament button. It will take a little time to go inside. We have to click the load filament button and it will go inside itself. We just have to touch it a little for the speed. Can you hear the voice? The motor is on because we have to click the load filament button. After the melted filament, whenever the melted filament will come out of the nozzle, it will start working. It's coming out. Now we'll trace it now onto this. It is my first time using the 3D pen, so I'm a little nervous. Now the inside line of the goggles also, we'll trace it. I want 4 speed, so I'll click this L button on the side of it. We have to use the load filament button for all the things, but when we have to speed up the speed of the melted filament coming out of it, we have to click the L button. We have to click the more speed button, and when we have to take out the filament, we have to click the unload filament button so that it comes out. I hope you can see it because I can see it properly. When we have to stop the filament coming out of it, we have to click the load filament button. So I'm clicking the load filament button because I have to show it to you. I hope you can see it. Now after I've shown it to you, I once again click the load filament button and I'll put the filament just inside. Now it is coming out. Don't touch the nozzle, but I'm wearing these rubber gloves, so nothing would happen to my hand. Now just trace it. after we trace it, we have to fill inside it so that it would be a little bold type. You can also use butter paper. You can also use butter paper instead of this book. You can trace a design on the butter paper with pencil or pen, and you can then trace it. Now all of them are traced and filled. So now we'll take them out. Okay. Be very careful because they are too thin and they can also break. Look at this. I'm really very excited to join them. Look at this lens. They are so cute. These little strips of melted filament are coming out, so I'll cut them with the scissors. You can also use other colors, but it would take time to use different colors because we have to unload the filament and unload the used filament. And now I'll take out the filament of it. When you load the filament, you just have to touch it and push it inside. Now at one end we would take one part of it and we'll put it here and put some melted filament at the ends of it. Just push it a little. Push the 3D pen and push the 3D pen and it would stick. After unloading it, we'll click this unload button. We'll click it twice, and then it will come out, and then this filament will come out of it. It has now came out. My goggles are also done, but they are not that much good. I forgot something very important. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye.